Good. Go, D.
Fighters catching each other in a clinch. Who will get a takedown?
Go.
Hardy.
Vince, bagsak mo.
And
Good, 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 good. Good.
Okay, that, I guess that's illegal.
Good.
You can hold it around.
Good, good, good. Bagsak mo.
McCoy
Good.
trying to evade that takedown.
And both of them get up. Oh, what was that?
Good.
They
Tap.
really touched glove. I guess that was a fake by McCoy.
That was a sleazy move by
Good.
McCoy. Yeah.
Good.
That was a easy move. There's almost a touch gloves and he slips in the kick.
Good.
And he
Bagsak.
gets under.
Good, good, good. Oh, nakakapit oh. Good, good, good.
Maybe I'm fond of holding the ropes.
Sige.
And Jojo.
Pasok sa side. Side, 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 side. Good. Cross face mo yung mukha niya. Cross face mo yung mukha. Tumatayo. Tumatayo. Tumatayo.
McCoy, I guess, is holding the ropes all the time. It's illegal, partner.
Paluin mo yung kamay ha. Pagka ano.
And they separate.
Taka sa kamay ha, Jo.
Nice kick
Yeah,
by McCoy, but
good.
he's got a takedown. What a takedown by Jojo.
I guess that we were set to the center of the ring with Jojo and side down.
Yung isang paa nasa ano.
With one leg inside.
Yep, side control with one leg inside.
Naka-side mount ka, Jo ha.
Relocate in the middle of the ring.
It's called by referee Migs Perez.
Yan. Yung isang paa mo nandun. Jo, nasa may banda taas. O, base ka lang mabuti, Jo ha. Tanggalin mo yan. Dali pa, wala pa.
And both fighters very eager. And it begins.
Trabaho, Jo. Paano nag-time yun? 2 minutes pa lang.